भारत में सेमीकंडक्टर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी स्थापित करने के लिए 50% की फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस दी जाएगी।
Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are discussing about semiconductor industry in India. Before going into the deep, let us see the latest news about semiconductor industries. The Indian government is in talks with several global semiconductor companies to set up manufacturing plants in the country. The government is expected to sign deals for 2 mega units by October-November, according to a report in the Economic Times. AMD has announced that it will invest in India over the next 5 years. The investment will be used to set up a design and development center in Hyderabad, as well as to expand AMD's existing manufacturing operations in the country. Indian conglomerate Vedanta has announced that it will set up a semiconductor chip manufacturing plant in India. The plant is expected to be operational by 2025 and will have a capacity of 28 nanometers chips. The Indian government has set a target of making India a global semiconductor hub by 2026. The government has launched a number of initiatives to promote the growth of the semiconductor industry in the country, with the $10 billion semiconductor package. Now we are diving into the deep about semiconductor industry. On the demand side, growth of the semiconductor industry in India is expected to be driven by the increasing semiconductor content across consumer electronics and automobiles, including EVs, and increasing demand for smartphones, as the number of smartphones in India is projected to reach 1 billion by 2026. The semiconductor industry revenue in India is expected to grow significantly in the coming years. According to a report by Deloitte, the Indian semiconductor market is projected to reach $55 billion by 2026. As you can see, the revenue for the Indian semiconductor industry is expected to grow at a CAGR of 8.3% from 2022 to 2026. This growth is being driven by the increasing demand for semiconductors in a variety of sectors. Factors that are driving the growth of the semiconductor industry in India. The automotive sector is one of the largest consumers of semiconductors in the world. The demand for semiconductors in the automotive sector is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, as more and more cars become equipped with features such as autonomous driving, connectivity, and infotainment. The increasing demand for semiconductors in the consumer electronics sector. The consumer electronics sector is another major consumer of semiconductors. The demand for semiconductors in the consumer electronics sector is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, as more and more people adopt new devices such as smartphones, tablets, and wearables. The increasing demand for semiconductors in the industrial sector. The industrial sector is also a major consumer of semiconductors. The demand for semiconductors in the industrial sector is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, as more and more industries adopt automation and digitization. Now let us take a look into the semiconductor industry for ECE students. The semiconductor industry has a huge scope for amazing career opportunities, as the industry requires individuals with deep knowledge and specific IT and engineering skills to serve them in the best ways. The program BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering helps the students to develop skills and knowledge required by the industries. Acquire skills. While making your career in any engineering field, you should have the required skills in you. For semiconductor industries too, one should possess the necessary skills, knowledge, and experience with specific tools. Pursuing ECE engineering helps you to acquire skills like mechanical aptitude, technical knowledge, and effective communication skills that are highly required by every semiconductor manufacturing company. Guest lectures and industrial events. The guest lectures and industrial events that are organized during BTech in Electronic and Communication Engineering provide students a platform to interact directly with the semiconductor industrial experts and help them to get a sense of the semiconductor industry and provide you with an idea of what to expect and how to venture in. Training and learning. BTech ECE helps you to learn more and supports you in making yourselves more versatile in the particular field of engineering and provides you the knowledge of other related fields. The university trains you with the knowledge and skills that are required by the industries, which helps you to get a job in your desired field of engineering. Job opportunities. After successfully completing your ECE engineering, one can explore the job opportunities in the semiconductor industries in the fields of electrical engineering, telecom engineering, hardware engineering, and software development field, along with analog design and analytics. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.